Alright everybody, it's been a very long time since I have uploaded the video, since I have made the video for this YouTube channel. I was not actually busy, I just did not have this desire to post the videos. And in the meantime, in these 4 months, I have tried some other ways also of being, socially active online. I also tried Twitter and I tried shit posting there, but that required a lot of effort. I had to be, chronically online there to be to make some impact, to get some likes, to get some retweets, to gain some followers. It is a lot of effort, lot of screen time. And that's when I thought that YouTube is easy. You just make some video, just read the news from somewhere and make a video and upload it. I'm not saying it's gonna get likes, it's gonna be viral like my posts were going on Twitter, but at least I will be away from the screen as much as I can. Because in Twitter, it was requiring almost 10 to 12 hours a day. If I needed to be a thing there, I need to put in at least 10 to 12 hours a day there. Whatever, I am thinking I'm gonna stick to YouTube now, and it's been almost 4 months, and I was thinking of a story of which I can make a video today, and I thought of this Ram Mandir donation theft story that has been going on. So the story started like this, that Pawan Pandey, a former MLA of Samajwadi Party, reported that almost 7 crore or 7.5 crore rupees is misappropriated from the Ram Mandir funds. And he said this about 20 or 15 days ago. And after that, an SIT has been formed, and the SIT did the investigation, and it found that there has been some discrepancies in the funds, in the donations that the people have donated for the construction of the Ram Mandir and the management of the Ram Mandir. And firstly, the BJP was saying that it is just rumors. These are just rumors. The opposition party is just trying to malign the people who are associated with the Ram Mandir. But today, Champat Rai, the chairman of the Ram Mandir Trust, has resigned from the post, citing moral grounds, that he is resigning just for the moral grounds. He is not saying that he has done anything wrong, and there is also not any proof to say that he has done something wrong, but he has just resigned. And the police, I think yesterday, they have arrested almost 8 people. 8 people have been arrested in this case, and most of these people are just associated with handling the donations or counting the checks, counting the cash. These people have been associated with handling and counting the donations that the Ram Mandir was getting, and the 8 people have been arrested. And there has been lot of back and forth between the opposition and the BJP. Some of the opposition parties are saying that the theft is of 200 crores. Arvind Kejriwal, I think, has said that 200 crores have been embezzled from Ram Mandir Trust. And Sanjay Raut has said that 2,000 crores have been misappropriated from there, and the money have been used to buy MLAs. Not the MLAs, the money have been used to buy MPs from the parties like TMC and Shiv Sena. So he said this. 2,000 crores sounds like a big amount, but there has been at least some dubious things have been going on there. That's why Champat Rai has resigned, and the BJP government has arrested 8 people. So let's see what happens with those people, because the SIT is going to give its final report, I think, in 15 days to the CM. Whatever happens, let's see. And this was my first video in almost 4 months. I'm not thinking that it is going to go viral. None of my videos have went viral yet. But whatever, I'm thinking I'm going to stick to YouTube. Alright, so bye bye. We'll see you again.